My name is Tato Taker from Primitive Age Techno Solution and Design, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to move your WordPress website from one domain to another. So within this move, actually nothing's going to change. The only thing that's going to change is going to be your domain. So your plugins, your theme, and your information is going to remain the same. Okay, so stick around and yeah, hope you learn a lot. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to prep our website for the downloading, right? Okay, so I'm going to take you through those steps. So we're gonna I'm going to zip our website and then download it, and then also we're going to download our database, and then later on we're going to export it. Okay, so first we need to locate our file manager. So we open file manager and then we click on upload files. So when you click on upload files, it will take you to the file manager's page, and then you will see here this is where your website is, and then you go to public_html. When you click on it, you will see every plugin that you have on your website, right? Okay, so the next thing we need to do is select everything and then click on compress. So when you press on compress, it will take you here, compress, enter the file name of the details. So you're gonna name it backup underscore backup dash to dash transfer, and we're gonna say it is the file. So once you have that down, you just click compress, and then we'll compress the whole file, right? Okay, so it takes time because I've already compressed mine. As you can see, it's right here, right? So it's gonna take some time, so give it time to finish compressing, and then once it's done, you will find it here, and this is the file size. After that is done, we need to download our website. Okay, so we're gonna select the website. Okay, let's say nope. Okay, yeah, and we're gonna hit the download button. So when you hit the download button, downloading. Okay, awesome. And here it's downloading right here at the bottom. So you're gonna give it some time. Yeah, it's gonna take time too because it's quite a large file. So yeah, we're gonna leave that running, and we're going to download our database while we're at it. So we're gonna go back to File Manager, and we're gonna go back, and we're gonna scroll down and look for PHP My Admin, which is somewhere right here. Yeah, database. So PHP My Admin. When you click on PHP My Admin, okay, yeah, it is. So it will tell you what's your database name, database username, and database host. Okay, so you're gonna go to manage and click on PHP My Admin. So when you click on PHP My Admin, it will take you to your PHP page, and it will show you all the databases that are available. So currently we only have one database, so we need to download this one database. So we're going to click on the database, it's opening. Okay, so once it's done opening, we're going to click on export. Okay, yeah, so it's going to take some time to download the whole website, right? So yeah, it's going to take time. Okay, the exporting tables ID testing. Okay, there's the database name, and we're going to leave it as quick. Display only the minimal options, and the format is SQL, and we're going to click go, and it will download our database for us now. Okay, so we'll be back after this is downloaded, and I will show you the rest of the process. So we're going to give it time, and yeah, we'll come back once we're done. Okay, so now the website is complete downloading. So the next thing we need to do is we need to move it from our free hosting domain to our paid version domain. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload it using FileZilla. Okay, it's an FTP. So you have your username. Okay, let's do this. As you can see here in front of me, I have the domain, which is the host. Just going to copy and paste that. Okay, there you go. And then you have your username and your password. I'm going to type that out real quick. And then your port number is 21. So connect. Okay, it's connecting. Okay, it's gonna tell you about uncertified SSLs. Okay, it's okay. Logged in retrieving. Okay, so as you can see in front of you here, you have remote site. So now you're currently on your website's file manager using the FTP, right? Okay, so as you can see, there's an index.php. Okay, so we know our website's name. Let's do this. Let's check quickly what does the index.php say. Paste that. So this is our live domain and HTTP test page. Yeah. So we don't want this on our website, right? So what we need to do is we need to delete. So you're gonna select that, right click and delete. So your public underscore HTML needs to be empty when you're uploading this backup. Okay, so as you can see, empty directory listing, and we're going to click on backup to transfer the file we just downloaded with our entire website, and right click on it and upload it. It's okay, it's going to give us that. Okay, and it's uploading. Okay, so what we can do is we can give it time. It's going to take some time. While we're waiting on it to upload, what we can do is we can set up a database. Okay, so while this is uploading, we're going to go back to our cPanel of our live hosting domain, and we're gonna go down and look for PHP or MySQL manager. Click on that. So yeah, and we're going to create a database in the user. So if you click on that, okay, so that's our password. So we can just copy our database password. I'm gonna paste that here. DB password. Paste that. Okay, let's do that. DB name. So you can give it a name. I'm gonna give it the name test, and just gonna copy and then paste that there, and we're gonna create the database. Okay, so yeah, database successfully created. Yeah, so database name, database user, also with database name, database user, and then action. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we're gonna go back and we're gonna scroll down to PHP my admin and click on that. Okay, so it's opening up my PHP file, PHP page. While we're waiting on that, before we start, we need to do is let's just go here and see how far it is. Okay, 50 something percent. Okay, almost 60. Okay, so this is the database we created. I'm gonna click on that. As you can see, the database is empty. Now we need to import the database we downloaded earlier. So we're gonna say import. Oh, so first thing we need to do, we need to select the database, click on import, go to choose file, and we're gonna upload or import it. Where is it? Yeah, testing. That's the name of the database. Open. Okay, so everything stays the same, and you click on go. Okay, so it's uploading the database. Let's check where this one is. 82%. Nice, fast. Okay. Okay, import has been successfully finished. 62 queries executed. Perfect. So my database has successfully been uploaded. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I think we can wait this one out. And done. Okay, so it tells you here successful transfer 1 and here it is right over here. So now next thing we need to do, now we're going to go to our cPanel on our live domain, and we're going to go up. We're going to find file management, and we open up file manager. Okay, it's loading. And public underscore HTML, that's where our file is. Here it is here, and we need to extract it. Okay, decompress. Yeah, decompress. Click on it. It will tell you backup file what decompress is. You want to decompress it. Okay, the decompressing was successful, so it's done decompressing. So your entire website is loaded up, and then we can have a look here. We can delete our can delete that. Okay, here's the second one. We can delete this one too, because it's a file, so all they're doing is just additional memory. It's showing your memory on your server. Okay, so once that's done, we need to find a file called wp-admin. Oh, so it's wp-config php. So we're gonna edit, and you will see that you have a database name, a database user, and a database password. Right, so we copied that earlier on. So we're gonna take our database name. As you can see, it's the same as our database user, so we're just gonna copy, select and paste. Same thing here, select, paste, and the password is here. Select that, copy that, and paste. Okay, just move that, paste. Okay, and we're gonna save our file. Okay, one more thing we need to do before we test our website. Okay, we're gonna go back to our PHP, and you'll look for options. If you click on options, it will give you this, and you'll see site URL and home. So we need to change these two domains here. Okay, so we're gonna go back there. Yeah, that is our domain. We need to copy that. I'm gonna double click there, select everything, and paste. Okay, so there's a space earlier on here. We just need to get rid of that. Okay, and the same thing at the bottom too. Control A, Control V, remove that space right there, and yeah. Okay, so now we're done. Only thing we need to do is to test our web page. So Control V, that's the website we just fixed. Now let's see if it works. Yeah, there you go. Everything is there. Okay, so any questions, just leave it below in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Okay, thanks. Cheers. Bye.